Combined Room is the feature that allows you to easily book and manage multiple rooms. In an office, users may want to reserve several rooms together for a larger area. However, users need to repeat the same reservations multiple times, and it is hard to manage both the reservation itself and their data. In Offision, you can combine several rooms as a single unit, and reserve this combined room at once for a larger area. You can also book any single room, and the system will help you to block the combined room to avoid double booking. Setting up a combined room is easy. In the Management console, click the Combine Room in the side menu and add a new combined room. You can select the room included in this combined room. Click Save, and then the combined room is ready to reserve. Offision, your all-in-one smart office platform.